Tell me about yourself.
I am Stephen Quintanado, a fresh graduate from Rizal University. I graduated with only Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering. Last year, passed the licensure board exam at top
Can you explain also?
Ohm's law is the formula in which you solve in which the resistance is directly proportional to the voltage and indirectly proportional to the ampere, denoted by R is equal to V over I.
Have you worked with other engineers?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Yes. Because my father is also an engineer. I was invited to do some wiring, to do some review some plans, and go to their company. So I have a little bit more than enough experience in dealing with other engineers.
Have you used CAD software for designing critical systems?
One of the main softwares I use in designing electrical plans is the AutoCAD. It helps in doing easy drawings. It's one of the most accessible softwares in the internet.
So, have you ever managed a project?
In my experience, yes. In college, we were tasked to create a project which will be the serving of our final project, which will be the majority of our grade, about 80%. The project is about converting some type of material to a new accessible energy.
What is your strength and weaknesses?
My main strength is problem solving and troubleshooting on all circuits of wiring. If you give me a project involving those two, I will guarantee you to make use of my knowledge in order to solve or get the desired result for your project. My main weakness is that I am not very punctual.
Should we hire you?
Um, I think the main reason that you should hire me is that what I said earlier, I have got a 90% on a board exam, so I can guarantee you that my performance will be based on my knowledge. And with that, I can give your company a value that you have not seen before.
What is your experience in renewable energy?
One of the most common renewable sources is the use of sunlight or solar today. Majority of our household include this technology, such as lights, such as gas, and multiple other things.
How do you keep up with the advancements of electrical engineering technologies?
One is research. Research how things should be get advice from senior